This assignment is 8.1. It's multiples of unit fractions. And we know that unit fractions have a numerator of 1 and the denominator of the same fraction. Okay, so the directions say write the fraction as a product, which is the answer when you multiply, of a whole number and a unit fraction. We'll do number 7. So a unit fraction here, what does a unit fraction have a numerator of? 1. So I'm going to write 1 over, what's my denominator going to be? 6. So 1/6 times what is 4/6?
Times 4.
Times 4 wholes. And it would be the same as multiplying the numerators, which is 4 times 1. And we know that 4 wholes has a denominator of 1. So 1 times 6 equals 6.
Do we have to write that one?
You have to write 1/6 times 4. Okay, number 10, it says list the next 4 multiples of the unit fraction. I know that 1/5 times 1 is 1/5. What is 1/5 times 2? 2/5. Okay, next one, 1/5 times 3 is 3/5. 1/5 times 4 is 4/5. And 1/5 times 5 is 5/5. Okay, number 12. So far, and we're going to do cube as we read this, right? Okay, ready, set, say. So far, Monica has read 5/6 of a book. She has read the same number of pages each day for 5 days. What fraction of the book does Monica read each day? So, question mark, thank you. So we're going to do 5 times what? 5 times 5/6. Okay. Actually, 5 times what is 5/6?
5 times 4 is 6.
Okay, it's going to be 5 times what equals 5/6? 5 times 1. So 5 times 1 is 5, and 1 times 6 is 6. So the answer is 1/6 of the book. 1/6 of the book. Okay, so what it says is it's 5/6 is the total. Just like this, 5/6 is the total. She has read the same number of pages each day for 5 days. What fraction of the book does she read each day? And that is why it is 1/6. Good job. This lesson is 8.2. It's multiples of fractions. And we are going to do number 5 and number 7. So it says write the product as the product of a whole number and a unit fraction. So first of all, I have to multiply across the numerators to find my total, my product. So first of all, I go 2 times 4, which is what? 8. And then 5 times 1 is what? 5. So I have 8/5 is my product. Okay, so now I have to find what it equals with my unit fraction and a whole number. Unit fraction has a numerator of what, everybody? 1. And what's my denominator going to be? Same number, right here. 5. Okay, so 8/5 equals 1/5 times what whole number? 8. Good. So 1/5 times 8 equals 8/5. Now, if it shows you here that here's a whole and they have 4/5. So 2 times 4/5, there's 1 time, and then 2 times is 8/5, just to check. Okay, let's do number 7. We'll do cube at the same time. Ready, set, say. Jessica is making 2 loaves of banana bread. She needs 3/4 cup of sugar for each loaf. Her measuring cup can only hold 1/4 cup of sugar. How many times will Jessica need to fill the measuring cup in order to get enough sugar for both loaves of bread. Okay, so I have two wholes, and she needs 3/4 cup of sugar for each loaf. Okay, so for each loaf she needs 3/4, but she's making 2 loaves. So I'm going to go 2 times what?
3/4.
Exactly, 2 times 3/4. Okay, if I did 2 times 3/4, what is that? 6/4. Good. But she only has a 1/4 measuring cup. So she's wondering how many times she's going to use this measuring cup. So that's the same thing as 1/4 times what?
1/4 times 6.
Exactly, 1/4 times 6. So it said how many times will Jessica need to fill the measuring cup? 6 times. And I boxed 6 times. And I've shown my work, so I know how to do this. Good job.